Hi, my name is Sheldon. I'm a pharmacist here at HB Pharmacy, and in today's video, we'll be reviewing how to use an MD pump. An MD pump is a special device that is designed to administer an exact dose of medication that's determined by your doctor. So it comes with two parts, a pump that you probably recognize just like any lotion or cream would come in, and a lid that shows exactly how much medication is going to be dispensed with every click of this pump. So let's go over how to apply the medication that's in this pump. Our instructions here read, apply one pump, which is 1 milliliter, indicated by the lid right here, to a hairless area of skin once daily. For most people, the hairless areas of skin are the wrists and forearms, or the upper inner thigh, or even the back of the knee. We recommend alternating a site every week. So for this demonstration, I will be using my wrists and forearms. We will remove the lid and roll up my sleeves. One piece of advice when using our MD pump is to use the notch and press firmly on the back of the notch to ensure the most precise dose. Here's an example. There you go. So every click is pre-calibrated to dispense exactly the correct amount of medication, so I don't even have to worry about that. 1 milliliter will be applied with just one click. I will be rubbing the cream into my skin for 1 to 2 minutes to ensure optimal absorption. And we usually recommend using an area of skin that's a little bit larger than the size of the palm of your hand to make sure that you are achieving a very large surface area. So I will keep on doing this for 60 to 120 seconds to make sure that it is all absorbed. This achieves two things. One, the medication is optimally absorbed into your skin, and two, this prevents the medication from transferring onto your clothing or your bedding or perhaps even another individual that you come in contact with. So once our imaginary timer is up, I can presume that the medication is safely absorbed, and I will let it dry for 5 minutes. Once the medication is used, you can see here in the window that the amount of medication remaining is displayed here. Once this window rises all the way to the top, you can tell that you're almost running out of medication, and it's time to contact us here at HB for a refill. Friendly reminder, we do kindly request 3 business days to complete refills, since we are personalizing your medication here in our lab. Now that the medication has dried for 5 minutes, I can get dressed and go about my day. Just a reminder to wait 1 to 2 hours before swimming, bathing, or exercising. Please contact us here at HB Pharmacy for our Never Miss a Dose program, where we will automatically fill your prescriptions every single month. Thank you.